Hello again. Right, I haven't made videos for a long while purely because everything you need to know about the method that I use is in the previous videos. So if this video piques your interest, then hopefully you'll have a good look at a number of the previous videos, and it will help you with the method I use. Now, the other reason I'm making this video today is it's Bank Holiday Monday on on a wet June May Day, late May Day, 29th of May, and I am unable to do the jobs that I wanted to do today because of the rain. So I just thought I'd knock a video together. And it's important to note that trends are powerful. The method that I use is, in my opinion, pretty bulletproof, providing you dot your I's and cross your T's. Even, and this is the point, even on slow weekends when it's a bank holiday virtually across the world, Europe, the UK, I don't think it is on the USA, but Europe and UK is enough to cause problems with volatility. In other words, there's not much volatility, but that's good because we've got a trend in place, as you can see here. So what do I not want to do? I don't want to trade against the trend, which is why today's trade was a long. You may ask why I set my alarm for 5:30 on a bank holiday Monday, but it was just a question of waking up with the daylight, and if I was awake, I could open up my laptop and take the trade. So let's go over the reasons for the trade. Well, starting on the H4 chart, we can see we had a massive move to the downside here on Friday, and where I talk about trading tests and retests, and we're talking about the support being tested as potential resistance, and its last support that will get tested as new resistance. So when the price was down here and making these green candles to the long side, I was expecting it to test the last break of support here. Support because we've broken the high of this true support, solid support if you like, major support, whatever you want to call it, because this high here was broken by this new high here, trended through. So this is a strong area of demand, support, call it what you like. Demand is a good way to look at it because it shows, it's talking in the language of trading, which is buyers have come into the market at this level. So how will they know, using the fair value analogy, which is used in market profile trading conditions, how do they know that this is fair value for the price unless they come back and test it? That's my thought processes. I like to use that, and as you can see, it came back and tested it almost to the pip. It just punched through it, but that's where I expected the price to have a problem, and as you can see, it is having a problem now on this H4 chart. The H4 candle has just changed. This I would expect now to pull back potentially a little bit before it has a second go at breaking this support and testing it, and it potentially failing to hold until it may go up and test this other level of some significance here. Price pushed down to it, pushed back up again and continued up, so that's a strong level, and then another level here, not necessarily strong level, but more a significant level. That's the correct expression. And as you can see, as it's come down, it's used these levels. It's flipped over there, it's come and tested it here, and flipped around just about a little bit higher at this price pivot zone area here. So all the past levels give us an indication of where price may move in the future. So today's trade, I'll slap it on the chart, is there. And let's look at the H1 chart. Now the other thing to say here, we can clearly see that trend still in place here, low, high, high, low, high, high, pull back, and it's used this sort of area of resistance to flip over. Resistance becomes support. So there was no way I wanted to be considering shorts in this, and so first thing this morning, could see my charts, did the analysis. This is how I do my analysis every day. Could see the trend and break of resistance acting as support. Had my target up here, this old H4 low we just talked about, and as you can see, it's done its job. That's exactly what I expected price to do, and it's done it. Trends are invaluable in my opinion. Support and resistance, supply and demand, call it what you like. The indicator here is just for your aid really. I use the candlestick trend analysis. Breaks above old resistance. You can see a resistance level here. In this down move, it's created the lower low. If we look on the lower time frame, there it is there, low, high, or a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. It's come through there, broken through it, as you can see here. We're on the 15-minute time frame now, and it was just a question of hitting it and rolling over and going back to sleep. Stop safely below this support here, 15 pips away, and take profit somewhere up near this resistance here, or support acting as resistance, should I say. I in fact put take profit there, but woke up and thought, no, it's going to play around at this level. I was talking about aiming for that big round number there, the 128, well, half round number, 50. I think it will go up that way and continue further and further, as I say. But got my trade for the day, so I'm done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Oh, and I won't be making many videos in the future because I am not. I don't feel the need to, as I said at the start of this video. It's all there if you want to look at previous videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and good luck.